A useful time saver in Affinity Publisher when choosing which fonts you're using is to save certain fonts that you use regularly as your favorite fonts. I'm going to show you how to do that here. If I use the artistic text tool for an example and do some text, if I then select that text, I can choose which font it is in by going to the context toolbar here and choosing the font family. Now what you'll see under that menu is you've got four options here at the top. You've got the option of all, which will show all of the fonts that I have on my computer. You can choose the recent option, which will show you just the fonts that I've used recently. The used option, which will show you all the fonts that I've used in this document. Or if I click on the final one, favorites, you'll see here is a list of just the fonts that I have actively told it are my favorite fonts that I use regularly, so that I can narrow the list of fonts down to just the ones that I'm likely to use on a regular basis. Now to choose a font and set it as a favorite, if I go back to the all font list, if I choose this font as an example, you'll see at the end of the name of the font here, there's a little heart. If I click on that heart, you'll see it's now selected. What that's done is that it has made this font one of my favorite fonts. So if I now go back to my favorites list, you'll see this font has now appeared in my favorites, which makes it easier to find quickly. And I can change my mind and remove it as one of my favorites just by deselecting this heart here, and that will remove it from this list.